Hey everyone! If you're gearing up for an SAP Business Objects BO interview and wondering how to nail those questions with confident answers, this video is for you. We'll cover the top 15 most frequently asked questions in SAP BO with practical answers that sound just like you're sitting in front of an interviewer. Let's make sure you walk in ready to impress, so grab a notepad and let's dive in. 1. Can you briefly explain what SAP Business Objects is? Certainly. SAP Business Objects is a suite of front-end applications that allow business users to view, sort, and analyze business intelligence data. It provides tools for reporting, querying, and data visualization, enabling informed decision-making across an organization. 2. What are the main components of the SAP BO architecture? The main components include the client tier, like Web Intelligence, Crystal Reports, Application tier, Central Management Server, Web Application Server, and the Intelligence tier, where services like CMAs and Adaptive Job Server reside, along with the Data tier, which stores metadata and actual data. 3. What is a universe in Business Objects? A universe is a semantic layer between the database and the end user. It simplifies complex database structures and provides a business-friendly layer so users can easily create reports without needing to understand SQL or the database schema. Let's jump into another commonly asked question. 4. What's the difference between a personal, shared, and secured connection in BO? A personal connection is local and only visible to the user who created it. A shared connection can be accessed by multiple users but isn't secured. A secured connection is stored in the CMAs and offers centralized control, making it the best practice in enterprise environments. 5. What are the different types of reports you can create in BO? We can create several types including Web Intelligence, WebI, reports, Crystal reports, dashboards, Excelsius, and analysis reports for OLAP data sources. 6. What is the Central Management Console, CMC, used for? CMC is the administrative interface in BO where you manage users, groups, security, servers, and access rights. It's essential for handling system configuration and monitoring. 7. How do you handle row-level security in a universe? Row-level security is implemented using restrictions in the universe designer. We can define conditions and associate them with user profiles so that each user only sees the data they're authorized to view. 8. What is the purpose of the BO repository? The main idea behind this is the BO repository, managed by CMAs, stores all metadata like universes, reports, users, and security settings. It plays a critical role in version control and system governance. Let's see another scenario-based question you might face. 9. Can you explain what derived tables are? Derived tables are virtual tables created within the universe using SQL queries. They're useful when we need to combine multiple tables or apply complex logic that's easier handled at the universe level rather than in the report. 10. How do you schedule a report in BO? You can schedule reports through the CMC or by Launchpad by setting up a recurrence, choosing output format, destination, like email or file system, and parameters. The Adaptive Job Server handles the execution. Get ready for another one that checks your core concepts. 11. What's the difference between WebI and Crystal reports? You'll want to emphasize that WebI is user-friendly and suited for ad hoc reporting, while Crystal Reports is more structured and powerful for pixel-perfect and highly formatted reports. WebI is ideal for business users, whereas Crystal is preferred by developers. 12. How do you optimize performance in BO reports? I ensure performance by minimizing data retrieval, using filters and prompts effectively, avoiding unnecessary variables, using query strips wisely, and leveraging indexes. Also, pushing logic to the database wherever possible helps. 13. What's a context and why is it used? A context resolves loops in the universe by defining a specific join path for a query. When multiple paths exist, contexts ensure that BO picks the right one, avoiding ambiguous results. 14. Have you ever used the Life Cycle Manager, LCM? What is it for? Here's how I usually explain this during interviews. Yes, LCM is used to migrate BO content between environments like Dev, QA, and Prod. It helps in packaging, promoting, and version controlling universes, reports, and users efficiently. 15. How do you manage user security in SAP BO? User security is managed through the CMAs using access levels, groups, and roles. We apply security at the folder, universe, and object level, ensuring users have only the access they need. And that's a wrap on the top 15 SAP BO interview questions and answers. Remember, confidence and clarity go a long way in interviews, and now you're one step closer to acing yours. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or feedback in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical, job-ready interview prep just like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and until next time, keep learning and keep growing.